Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to save location in Google Maps. So let's get started the video. Start by opening Google Maps. Search for a place and drop a pin on the location. At the top bottom of the screen, you will see the Save option. Click on it. Now from here, choose a list or you can create a new list by clicking New List. Once you select the list, click on Done. And that's it, your location is saved now. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.